welcome to our presentation about organizing content in branded catalogs.
That's right. Today, we're going to show you how you can visually distinguish single or multiple categories within your OTT application to create a unique and personalized experience for your users.
With our content and subscriber management application, you can flag a category as a branded category and define its name, logo, and rail background.
And all of these customizations will be reflected in the client application, creating a seamless and cohesive experience for your users.
We are now positioned at the application dashboard. From the application side menu, we can go to the All Movie section that represents all VOD content. VOD content is represented in different rails which correspond to the different category. Some of the categories do not have any branding enabled, but some of them do. In this example, we have an action category which has its own name, logo, and color. Within the application, we can add different coloring and logos for a different category.
As you can see, this feature gives you the ability to highlight important content and brand it in a way that aligns with the content provider's requirements.
It also allows you to prepare specialized rails, making it easier for your users to find the content they're looking for and improving the overall user experience.
And that's not all. This feature is also great for content owners who want to have dedicated theme sections within the app, giving them the ability to showcase their content in a unique and eye-catching way.
In conclusion, organizing content in branded catalogs is a great way to create a personalized and engaging experience for your users, while also meeting the needs of content providers.
And with the uCast subscriber and management administration tool, it's easy and convenient to create and manage branded catalog.
Thank you for joining us today, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.